Silver Mercury. What up, George? How's it going, brother? How are you? Good to see you. Welcome.
Patrick, how are you?
What's up, brother?
It's kind of cool to see you. Feeling great. Can't wait to get the party started this whole weekend. That's
مرحبا كيف الحالك؟
Choir is made up of professional Byzantine musicians from all over our archdiocese, all over the United States, and they agreed to come and perform tonight for us as part of our charity event. This time we welcome them and the Sons of Antioch Choir.